Inside these walls, ordinary fibers awaken into a jacket that captures the spirit of a creature few ever see up.
Watch your side, clear on this end. Okay, easy now, bring it down right there.
Ensure the thickness is consistent for the standard grade.
Yes, I am checking it now. The ultra soft is ready.
We are slightly over the target here. Try removing some from the top.
All right, pulling some out now. Looks like we hit it exactly.
The agitation seems steady on tank 3.
Good, I just added the detergent to tank 4.
Make sure the weight is even on both sides.
Watch the gauge. It's starting to vibrate again.
The color uniformity is spot on here.
Yeah, I agree. Go ahead and mark it approved.
Increase the tension by 5% on line 3.
Confirmed. Monitoring alignment now.
We are maintaining the desired yarn thickness.
Yes, and the tension is stable across all filaments.
How's the viscosity looking on the cream tone?
It's right where it should be. The color match is perfect now. Pass. Confirmed. Looks good.
The density on this sample is reading low.
Okay, I've adjusted the pile height and the fiber feed. It should be consistent now.
The pile looks excellent on this batch.
Yes, very soft and uniform.
Check the tension on the red fabric. It's uneven.
Acknowledged, making the adjustment.
This batch is very soft.
Yes, it feels expensive.
This one goes on the top row, batch 7.
Okay, I'll grab the next trolley. Make sure the label is secure. Keep the temperature steady, but increase the pressure slightly.
Got it. The pile loops are relaxing nicely.
The shading looks perfect, very natural.
Agreed, the ivory really catches the light.
A little darker on the edge here for the shadow effect.
Okay, I see the depth now.
Check the heat on roller 3, it's spiking.
Backing it off slightly. The pile uniformity on this section is off.
Okay, but this swatch here meets the standard. We can approve this roll.
The pile height looks good and the softness meets the standard.
Agreed, we can approve this one. Let's take this one over now.
All right, careful not to smudge it.
Smooth it out from the center.
Okay, the alignment looks good here.
Bring the next pattern over.
Watch the curve closely on this section, it's very delicate.
Make sure the pile is aligned this way, otherwise it will look uneven.
Okay, I see it now. Thank you.
Make sure the tension is steady on this seam. We can't have the velvet shifting.
Keep the tension consistent on the curve there, and make sure the seam is perfectly aligned before you use the clapper.
Make sure the pile is brushed upwards on the lapel. Yes, perfectly smooth right here.
Ensure the fibers lie completely flat before the next pass. We need absolute uniformity across all stations.
Ensure the spacing is exactly 2 millimeters on the studs.
Be careful around the stitching on this one.
Yes, I see the loose thread right here.
Almost finished with the wool jackets.
The lapels are sitting well.
but I think the waist needs to come in just a centimeter.
Agreed. Make a note for the sample team.
This one is perfect.
Yes, ready for packing.
The uniformity is perfect on these.
Agreed. We can approve this lot. The ivory shade is consistent.
The sleeve length checks out.
And the body width is exactly 38.
The green sample held up much better than the red.
Yes, the binding seems inconsistent here.
Test complete. Absorption is negligible.
Meets the specification. We can approve this batch. Final QC approval confirmed. You can send this one down the line.
That scan went through.
Check the screen. Item count is updated.
Looks accurate. Move it along.
These feel absolutely perfect.
The stitching on these leather ones is immaculate.